Hi, I'm Kevin. Today I've got Scott, Ed, and Jared with me, and we're going to be installing a prefabricated modular ramp.
We are installing the ramp off of this platform that we previously assembled. All of our ramp sections go together with up and down hooks. We are going to be taking this up hook and installing it onto our platform. A mating down hook from the top of the ramp section will connect into this. If you are installing the ramp against wood or concrete instead of our aluminum platform, simply bolt this piece onto the wood or concrete with the hook facing upwards. Lift the ramp section up and slide the ramp legs through the pockets on either side. When installing the legs on a 10-foot ramp section, you will set the legs at roughly 10 inches lower than the platform to maintain a 1:12 slope. This 10-foot ramp section will hook onto our up hook that we installed onto the platform. Check to make sure that the ramp is declining at a 1:12 slope and adjust accordingly. Now we are placing an intermediate landing because we want to make a turn at this point in the ramp. To assemble the platform, flip it over on its top and insert two legs and base legs on the side that will be opposite of the ramp section we just set. This platform should sit about 10 inches below the platform at the top of the ramp section, so set the legs roughly to that height. This ramp section already has an up hook welded on it, so now we're going to be attaching a down hook onto the platform. Now simply flip the platform and mate the two hooks together. To level the platform, loosen the bolt in the platform leg and slide the base leg up or down. To install the next ramp section, we will first install an up hook onto this platform. Assemble the next ramp section the same way as the first ramp section. Finally, we're installing our tapered ramp section down to the ground. The ramp sections are complete, and we just have to attach our guardrails and handrails. First, insert splices into all of the ramp sections and bolt loosely. Then the guardrail post will slide over top of the splices. final step is to attach the handrails to the guardrails. Start at the bottom of the ramp with the handrail loop. There's 2 holes in the return casting that will act as a guide to drill 2 holes and insert a through bolt into the guardrail. Then we connect the handrail to the standoff using 1 Tech screw from the underside. Work your way up to the top of the ramp by splicing together the handrails. Our splices are tapered so that there is a smooth transition between handrails. The assembly is now complete.